and cleaning out the beans, making sure there's no bad looking beans and chickpeas in here. I like this company, so right now I have not found any issues with the chickpeas. So we're gonna clean that out and then rinse this, put it in the Instant Pot and season, and let it cook for at least 30 minutes. So we're gonna use this Chief green seasoning to give our beans a little extra taste, so that when we add it to our curry, it'll be nice and seasoned already. Add in some thyme, ground thyme. Add in some cumin. This is all to make sure that the beans, chickpeas are already seasoned. And add in your onion. We will also add in some fresh onions when we cook the curry. And add in some garlic. Season till the ancestors tell you when. Make sure to stir to get all of the seasoning mixed into the water. Close your Instant Pot and cook on manual for 30 minutes. Okay, these are the vegetables we're going to use in our Guyanese inspired vegetable curry. So we have carrots, we have rainbow potatoes, green onions, some tomatoes, and some ginger. In our pot, our oil is basically that much, enough to cover the bottom. We're going to add in our Guyanese curry. I have it in a jar. You want to add in at least 2 heaping tablespoons. I have some roasted Geera, which is, as you can see, cumin seeds. We're going to add in a tablespoon. Teaspoon of Geera. Then we have our Garam Massala, and it's spicy. And we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of that in, because you already know somebody doesn't do too much spice. Okay, so we're adding in some not chicken bouillon. We're gonna add in 2. That's just to add some extra flavor. As I always say, vegan food, it needs to be about the flavors. So add your flavors and seasonings in. Then we have some poultry seasoning I want to add, and I'm going to add in, this is the poultry seasoning, and I'm going to add in a teaspoon of that. We also have our coriander. We're going to add in a teaspoon of that, a heaping teaspoon. All of this is a heaping. We're going to go ahead and just add in a little bit of thyme. A little bit more onion powder. Teaspoon. And some regular cumin, not from Guyana. This is just basic cumin. And a teaspoon of it. Okay? Now we want to turn, this is on low heat, we want to turn it up and let all this brown and cook off the rawness of the curry. I feel I don't have enough curry in here, so I'm going to add just a little bit more. So I added in about what seems like a tablespoon and a half of more Guyanese curry. You can add salt now, just a little bit, and then add a little bit later. But make sure to taste your food as you go to make sure it's seasoned enough for you. This is what it should be coming to as far as cooking the rawness out of your curry. So you want to make sure that it's bubbling and that you're stirring. You want to do this for at least 5 minutes. Okay, now you want to add in your garlic. At this point, you're adding in your garlic, your ginger, your green onions, and tomatoes. Mix everything and let it cook down. Now you want to add in your potatoes and carrots and let that cook down a little. Making brown rice in our rice cooker. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on and let that do its thing. We're actually making brown rice, and our chickpeas are ready, and they've been on low for 46 minutes, so it's okay because I'm sure they're perfect, and we're going to go ahead and add that to our. So this is what your combination of seasonings and potatoes and carrots. Now we're going to add in our chickpeas or channa to the pot. Our chickpeas with the liquid. So stir very well so you can make sure you get the browning off of the bottom of the pot. And then we're going to just let all of this cook for at least 30 minutes on low. So check on your pot periodically and stir. Taste to see if it has enough seasoning for you. Just continue to stir. And one thing is, I would have added in Scotch bonnet pepper, but the wife doesn't like it. It's spicy, so we will keep that out and I'll add it into my own meal. So cover and just let it cook for 30 minutes. Stir periodically. I'm also going to add in some cilantro. I have a plantain that I'm going to go ahead and cut up so I can add to the oil. Should be nice and hot, so we're going to add our plantain. Let your plantains get brown. You'll see that when it happens around the edges, and then you'll flip them over. Should look like when it's done. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Please subscribe and follow and share. And remember, you are whole, you are healthy, and you're complete. Peace and blessings.